It's a little bit later today that I post my video because I was wondering, wouldn't it be great if we could all work together to transform any darkness into light and be rewarded for it in return? And to overcome all of our differences and polarizations and work towards a free world of light? Well, I think I might have created something today to make that possible. Now, light isn't the opposite of darkness. Darkness is only the absence of light. So fighting the darkness creates only more darkness. Turning on our light ourselves and pulling others up and helping as much people around us find and turn on their lights as well will change darkness into light. Welcome to this video. For the people who don't know me, I am Tom Nuyens from the light.Academy.com. And after having survived a life-threatening disease when I was 8, my passion and my study for both physical and psychological health was born. And today I created something with the intention to stimulate us all working together to help each other find and turn on our light, and that from the very inside out, and to be rewarded for it in return. I know how precious health and life is. So I created a Get Natural Health course with scientific studies included with the life-changing insights in comparison with our conditioned health claims. And I want to give complimentary access to this Get Natural course to everyone who helps spreading my 4 complimentary videos regarding how to get past darkness, like fear, like pain, like distracting addictions and consequential scarcity and disease symptoms that the world really needs right now. Now click here to get access to my 4 complimentary videos. And once you allowed yourself access, you will see how you can help spreading these insights with your friends and loved ones in return for your complimentary access to the Get Natural Health course. Thanks for helping waking up the world together. I will see you in the videos.